Hello and welcome to Life on Earth. We are located in Slovenian sea coast, and I just found the biggest fish I have ever seen in Slovenia Sea. It looks like a shark, but I'm not sure. No, it's not a shark. It's an eel. Oh my god. You see? These eels are quite rare. They could also be... Is it eel or is it morena? Cat. Mačka, morska mačka, maybe it's sea cat. But as I said, this is by far the biggest fish I have seen in Slovenia. This must be for sure. Oof, it stinks. The rod is broken. Let's take another one. So 23, 46, 69. It's so hard to count in English. But 69, se pravi 69, 92. Okay, so this is exactly 1 meter long fish. 4 times 23 plus 10, that's exactly 1 meter. So yeah, this is the biggest fish I have seen. It stinks quite a lot, but otherwise, what a nice find. You know, it's not like when I found sea turtles. 2 sea turtles were found just 3 months ago. They were damaged from ship propeller. You see, now you can see the size. But otherwise, what a beautiful day. I'll go swimming, it's really warm. Amazing. What I see there? A knife. What will I find today? I found already 2 different tools, and what's there? It looks like an old knife on the rock. I don't need it, and I'm sure the fisherman will come back. Good, let's go on.